Hey now, we just got past that 1,000 sub mark. People have been telling me to put out some videos. So I got a Hover Air X1 drone. Alright? Thought we'd do an unboxing. Of course, I already opened it. So it's not really an unboxing, but just to show you what it looks like. And look at this thing. So it's over here. You put it on your hand, you press the button, and it just starts following you around. So we're gonna have a good time. Everybody like, everybody sub. Let's go.
Sun on my skin, shoes on dust. I hear your name when the kids all fuss. You smile like rain on a dry season day. Come a little closer, let your body play. I brought that grin in my pocket tonight. One small step and it feels so right. Your hand
hey now, here's how I'm getting the shots. Boom, 1, 2, 3. Hover app. Literally, you first connect it. Success. Say you got it. Hit the flight mode. Boom. Hover. Take a look. This turned into a whole how-to.
Little feet stomping the ground in time. Your left got the whole room in the line.
And guess who just figured out how to use the mic when I'm recording? This guy.